Tired of staring at the same boring wallpaper every single day? Well, it's time to upgrade your screen in style. Today I'm showing you how to get stunning 4K live wallpapers, completely free. And guess what? You'll have access to over 10,000 amazing designs that bring your desktop to life. So, if you're ready to make your device stand out, hit that like button and let's dive right in. All right, guys, this is my desktop setup. If you'd like to add widgets like these to your own setup, just drop a comment below and I'll share all the links with you. But for today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ultra quality live wallpapers, completely free, in full HD and 4K. Let's jump right in and make your desktop come alive. First, you'll need the Steam app. It's completely free. Just download and install it from the link in the description, then create your free account. No need to buy anything. Now we're just using it to get the live wallpapers. Let's go. Now open Steam and search for live wallpapers. You'll see hundreds of apps that offer amazing live wallpapers in HD and 4K quality. Some are paid, but don't worry. I'll show you the best free one to use. Next, just search for Wallpaper Alive in the Steam store. You'll see a free app right there. That's the one we're going to use for our live wallpaper. It's not a big file, so you can download it really easily. You'll notice there's a free version and a paid version. But don't worry, the free one already gives you amazing high-quality wallpapers. Once it's installed, just click the play button. The app will open and give you two options. Go ahead and select Choose Wallpaper. This is where the fun begins. Next, you'll see another pop-up window. From there, select Steam Workshop. That's where you can browse and download all the awesome live wallpapers. And here you'll find over 1,000 cool live wallpapers. Seriously, there's something for everyone. The best part? You can choose any category you like and download your favorites in just one click. But you can pick and download any cool wallpaper you like. Just find the one that fits your vibe and hit download. To download, just click the plus icon. It'll automatically add that wallpaper to your collection inside the Steam app. After the download finishes, you'll see your wallpapers appear right here. Just pick the one you like, click Save Changes, and boom! Your live wallpaper is now on your screen. There are more than 10,000 live wallpapers in this collection. Seriously, that's enough to change your wallpaper every single day and still not run out. From futuristic cityscapes to relaxing nature scenes, anime themes, and more, you can make your screen look completely unique. This was my short and cool video showing you how to get free Ultra HD live wallpapers for your desktop. No cost, no hidden tricks. I really want to hear from you. Did it work for you? Or do you want me to make another video with the best live wallpaper setups and widgets? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming tech guides, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.